Hi guys, welcome to Genevieve's Playhouse. Today we are going to do a toy review of Peppa Pig's Treehouse playset. You can see on the back here, it's got moving branches, a fun slide, a tire swing, a treehouse den, connects to playground playset, so if you have other playground playsets it'll connect to that, and it connects to the road track. And down here it shows you all the different things that you can get, and you can connect them all together to have your own Peppa Pig world. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, so this set comes with an exclusive Peppa figure. And she has a blue dress on instead of her usual red dress, and blue shoes instead of black. And she can open her arms and close them like she's giving a hug. And she has 5 little flowers here on a necklace. Alright, so let's go ahead and untie everything here so that we can start playing with this playset. So let's take a closer look. First is a little seesaw here, which is George's favorite thing to do at the playground. He likes to go up and down on the seesaw with his best friend Richard Rabbit. We have the tire swing here. We have a tree swing. There's the slide. And up here we have a little picnic table that has like a little some bread and some cheese for a good little snack. Up here we have a little hideaway, a little house, the tree house part. And you can see on the inside you have a table set with tea and some pictures on the wall. And we have a window in the back. Very, very cute. Alright, now that we have this open, how about we go ahead and play? Alright, so let's take our Peppa here, set her down the slide. She can go on the seesaw. She really needs somebody to sit on the seesaw with her. And got the swing on the tree here. She just kind of slides down in there. This little red piece here is plastic, so she can just fit right down in there so that she doesn't fall out. And look, you turn the leaf of the tree here and the swing raises up, and that's how Peppa gets up top here so that she can have her picnic and eat her cheese and her bread. And then when she's done, she can go down the slide. Alright, so let's see the tire swing. Uh-oh, Peppa's a bit too big to fit in the tire swing. She doesn't fit in there very well. Her legs are too big to fit in there. So I wonder if this tire swing is made for George. Now, we didn't get a George in this set, but luckily we have George Pig and Daddy Pig and Mummy Pig. We also have some of Peppa's friends who want to play too. And Danny Dog, Elephant, Susie Sheep, who is Peppa's best friend, Pedro Pony, and Rebecca Rabbit. Alright, so let's see. First of all, let's see if George fits into this tire swing over here. You kind of have to squeeze his feet together a little bit. Oh, okay, so there's a little booster seat that comes out. Not quite sure what that's for. But if you take that out, George fits in there just fine. Alright, so think Peppa wants to ride on the seesaw. Let's set Peppa here, and we'll have her best friend Susie Sheep sit up with her. I think Danny Dog wants to go on the tree swing. Mummy Pig and Daddy Pig can sit up here for the picnic. One of Daddy Pig's favorite things is eating. And then everybody else can enjoy going down the slide. Whee! Whee! Everybody is enjoying a fun day at Peppa's Treehouse. There goes Danny Dog going up. And excuse me, Daddy Pig, I'd like to go down a slide. Oh ho, go right ahead, Daddy Dog. Whee! My turn, my turn. The swing back down so that Susie can have a turn. Oh, Mummy Pig, let's enjoy our picnic down on the ground. Righto, Daddy Pig. All right, Susie's turn. This is so much fun. Whee! My turn. This is my treehouse after all. My turn. George wants to have a go. Big apple, George, you're too small. No, I'm not. All right, everybody has had a great day at Peppa Pig's Treehouse. I really like this toy, and I think Genevieve will too. She loves having figures go down slides, and she'll like this little treehouse up here. And the fact that the swing goes up and down to get them, up here to go down the slide is pretty cool. So all in all, I think this is a pretty great toy. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this toy review, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next time. Thanks, guys.